Hey everybody, welcome to our page about InventHelp. I'm the owner-founder here at Bold Patents. I'm JD Houvener, and I'm here to walk you through this page here we put up originally in 2019. This is part of a 2026 update on InventHelp. This is one of our colleagues, I should say, in the industry. InventHelp, while they've got lots of customers that have been happy, upset, loud, and complaining, long story short, they do provide a service. And sometimes we need to be able to appreciate how they are complementary. And so while we are patent attorneys and provide legal service, InventHelp is not a law firm. They provide assistance to inventors, provide support and guidance to going to market. So these are, in general, good things to think about. And InventHelp has a lot of those other things that aren't legal that do help a lot of inventors along the way. So some of the key areas, you'll see in this article as you read through it, that they do provide a lot of help with is guidance on business planning. And that's one key thing that as attorneys, we struggle with because we've gone to law school for, what we've studied the patent bar for, and what we advise inventors on is more focused on acquiring and getting the biggest, strongest, most enforceable patent rights possible. We aren't necessarily the best business minds, okay? While we've seen a lot of things and can offer guidance and advice here and there on how to go to market, what techniques we've seen work in the past, we are not marketers. We're not business people. And so our attorney team can only really advise on, say, half of the problem. So companies like InventHelp can offer things like business planning support, market analysis, and actually prototyping. So virtual 3D prototypes as well as for physical prototypes. They can connect inventors with communities, resources, and R&D experts to go forward down those roads. So while InventHelp may not be the only company doing these sort of things, they've got a reputation that they've been around for a long time and have served a lot of inventors that way. Now, beyond marketing, business planning, and prototyping, whether that's virtual 3D, CAD drawings or physical, InventHelp is involved in helping get companies licensed. So they do offer what's called the Licensing Expo. They've done that for, I think, 15 years now, maybe longer. So check that out. Look at the article about, we talk about how there's some risk involved. And this is true for not just InventHelp, but any company you work with in a business endeavor. There's no guarantees. In other words, no outcome that anyone will be able to guarantee you. This is a capitalistic, take a risk world. This is your shot at having and making a difference. But know that it does come with risk that, hey, this may not pan out. And you've got to give it your all and dig in. And the only way that you can really tell is if you go try to take your product to market. And so doing as much as you can on that business planning side to know that your invention, if you go through the painstaking work and pay the fees to get the license, to get your patent granted, that there'll be a market that's ready for it. All right, so doing both of those things is really important. And InventHelp is one of those companies that has shown they've done that before well. So hope this is educational for you. Take a look at the article, give it a read. We've just refreshed it this year. And if you have any questions, of course, on getting started with your patent, we're here to help. Please book below a free discovery call and get started on your journey today. All right, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.